Did you know that you can make a simple soji without eggs and in a syrup and get the same fluffy results as the recipe with eggs? Let's start by adding 1 cup of semolina into a bowl. Then add 1.5 cups of full cream milk. Stir this until the mixture is well combined and leave aside for 15 minutes. In a separate pot and on medium heat, add 1 cup of sugar, then add 1 cup of water and stir this until the sugar has completely dissolved. Then add in 1 cup of butter ghee. Stir this until it starts to bubble. Once it starts to bubble, add in half a cup of flaked almonds. The almonds will slowly start to toast in the syrup. When it starts to turn slightly brown, add in the semolina mix and notice how this has thickened. Keep stirring to avoid the bottom of the pot from burning. At this stage, I switched off the stove as the semolina will thicken quickly. Using almonds gives the soji a little bit of texture, and you can see this as I continue to stir. This soji will be made in 15 minutes and feeds a family of 5 with some left over. Semolina is rich in nutrients, high in protein, and great for weight management because it gives a feeling of fullness and is great for digestion too. The soji is ready when the butter ghee starts separating from the mixture. Serve while hot and see how fluffy and soft this is without the eggs. Drizzle some warm fresh cream and add some colored almonds, and you're ready to serve. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel and connect with me on my socials. Until the next vlog, happy baking, cooking, and see you soon!